Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will learn the 3 methods to take a screenshot on any Poco phone. Now the first method to take a screenshot on your Poco phone is to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time, just like that. Now the second method to take a screenshot on your Poco phone is to swipe down and open the control center. Now from here, just tap on the screenshot button and it will take a screenshot, just like that. Now if you cannot find the screenshot button in your control center, just open the control center. Now from here, just swipe to the left and tap on edit. Now from here, just scroll down. Now from here, just drag the screenshot button and tap on done. Now from here, just tap on the screenshot button to take a screenshot, just like that. Now the third method to take a screenshot on your Poco phone is to take a screenshot by swiping down with 3 fingers, just like that. Now to enable this feature, just go to the settings. Now from here, just search screenshot. Now from here, tap on take a screenshot and make sure you enable slide with 3 fingers down, just like that. And these were the 3 methods to take a screenshot on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.